Welcome everyone to our next video tutorial where we're going to add the potentiometers to our circuit. So let's go ahead and get started by working in this area. Now potentiometers are not listed in the default libraries, so we need to add a library. To do that, we go over to this little book here, Open Library Manager, and I can search potentiometer. And I'm not seeing the one I want. I'm going to also try varistor. There we go. That's what we want. We want this one from Eagle PCB. I just know that this one works pretty well, I think. Though I might be wrong there. Alright, so maybe it is the potentiometer one. Yep, this is the one we want. Alright, so potentiometer / trimmers. And then I can go to that one and find the one I want, which is this 3310Y-001-0104L. Alright, I'm going to rotate it and place it. And I'm going to first assign it a value. Yes, I want to make it 100K. Alright, and then let's add some power to it. So it's going to need a 3.3 and a ground. And then the one issue with a potentiometer is it tends to bounce a little bit if my voltage isn't perfect. So we're going to add a capacitor to it. So it's a regular 0805 capacitor. And I'm going to put that next to it. Let's grab the ground for the capacitor. And then connect that to our incoming voltage. And then give it a value of 1 US. So it's a pretty big capacitor to help that out. Alright, let's copy this over, because we have two of them. And then we need to put our inputs for our GPIOs. So I'm going to move that down and add just a line. And then we can label these. So I'm going to go to name. And this one is going to be GP27. And this one is going to be GP28. Alright, and then we need to label that on our Pico as well. And that is it for our potentiometers. Move this over a little bit. And then draw up the lines. Make sure I'm on the info again. I'm going to just label this POTS, which is the short term for potentiometer. And there we go. We have our potentiometer done. Now, thank you for watching this tutorial. If you would please like and subscribe to this channel and this video to help me make more of these tutorials.